This birthday is too exciting to stand still, back and forth, searching for the perfect gift. It seems like the dog isn't really in the mood to make friends. Look at that face. That moment when the dog realizes that they are a unique beauty and can't stop staring at themselves in the mirror.
Are you comfortable?
Here, our dog is trying to get some exercise. 1, 2, 3. But it seems more like an exercise in staying still.
Okay. That's how you're supposed to sleep.
Security system activated, Dot. These two dogs are really scary. The traffic stops and the cat strolls. Who said only pedestrians have the right of way? Just like a real star. This dog's desire to go out for a walk is so great that it almost seems like he's waiting for the right moment to leave, but who knows if he'll be able to take the first step. DJ, if you're here, hit play. The owner just makes a crunch, and the dog is already there, eyes wide open and looking like he heard everything. Oh no! What is that dog doing instead of the fan in the car? Unbelievable! The cat on the couch seems busy uncovering the secrets of the world. Or maybe just watching videos of mice to follow. The girls are showing off their dance moves, but he's more into the sweet rhythm of the cake on the table. He walks very slowly, but his trembling says it all. What if a balloon pops? That would be a real scare. He drags himself like a hero on his last legs, but his goal is clear. No walks, just relaxing in his bed.